In this video, we will walk you through how to install Intelli-Connect on your V1 Lodestar VS hoist. The installation kit you receive should include all necessary parts to convert from the existing hardline data port on your Lodestar VS hoist to our wireless Intelli-Connect technology. Before beginning the installation, ensure your hoist is disconnected from the power supply. Failure to do so could result in serious injury. To install the kit, you will need the following tools: a 17mm or adjustable wrench to remove the M12 data port connector, small flathead screwdriver to remove M12 data port connector wires from VFD, 3/16 Allen wrench to remove end cover bolts, 20mm or adjustable wrench to install cable gland and tighten cord grip. To begin, first remove the hoist VFD end cover. Next, you will need to remove a small cover on the VFD to access the M12 data port wires. Next, disconnect the M12 data port cable from the VFD using a small flathead screwdriver. Then, tighten the loose screws back down. Using the 17mm wrench, loosen and remove the M12 data port from the hoist. Be careful not to let the wires twist too much. When that is complete, put the VFD cover plate back on. Next, install the free end RJ45 of the Ethernet cable and gland into the now open M16 threaded hole in the hoist from the outside. The angled RJ45 connector will be a tight fit through the threaded hole and may scar the RJ45 molding a bit, which is okay. Tighten the base of the gland until it's finger tight plus 1/4 to 1/3 of a turn. While doing this, it is important to ensure the O-ring doesn't twist. Once that is done, bring the assembled Intelli-Connect kit box and bracket close enough to the hoist to plug the Ethernet cord into the VFD. For optimal cable routing, the cable should be positioned as shown. There should be a bit of cable slack between both cable glands. Next, tighten the hoist cable gland dome nut to clamp down on the Ethernet cable, sealing it from environmental elements. The cable should not slide if it's tight enough. With the Ethernet now plugged into the VFD, use the two longer replacement end cover bolts with the replacement O-ring and washer to secure the end cover back in place. To do this, place the hoist VFD end cover back on and torque the bolts to 50 to 60 inch-pounds. The bolt retaining O-rings go on the inside of the cover, while the washer is placed between the cover and the bracket. The bolt on top of the hoist for the end cover does not get replaced unless it's damaged, since it does not need to be longer to accommodate the bracket. Once the end cover is secured, the installation is complete. To start using Intelli-Connect, download the Intelli-Connect mobile app on Google Play or the Apple App Store. Now you're ready for intelligent lifting. For more information on the Lodestar VS with Intelli-Connect, visit www.columbusmckinnon.com/cm.